Who's ready for day 6? Day 6 starts now. You're starting the year off right. We are going to surprise somebody today. We are really going to make them feel valuable, give them a nice gesture. Maybe you just surprise somebody with a handshake. When you surprise somebody, it kind of throws them off for a second and you have that one entry. You have a chance to really get in with them. If you reach out your hand for a handshake and they're like, oh, you have that moment to say, hi, my name's Emily. This is what I do. Let me tell you about myself. Maybe it's a free coffee. Maybe it is a free offer. Maybe it's just an email to reach out to them, let you know that you appreciate them. Just get that in and create that bond of friendship or that extra level of relationship with somebody. When you surprise somebody, it throws someone off from their comfort zone. In chapter 10, we learn about how Mr. Brown bought somebody breakfast, and that was a big surprise. He was sitting across the room from him, just waiting for him to realize when the bill came that it was already paid for, and that sparked up a conversation. And this was somebody that he was trying to talk to for a few years and he couldn't find that in. So buying him breakfast, he even said, I never had the opportunity to have breakfast with you before, so I just wanted to take this opportunity to buy you breakfast. And it started a conversation, and then next thing you know, success followed. As usual with Mr. Brown, I'll leave the link below so you could read the whole chapter. Don't forget, we're also available on Audible if you'd rather listen to the chapter. And not only did this technique work once, it worked twice, once in Florida, once in Alabama. I'm sure there was numerous other times that he surprised somebody and people were really floored by that gesture and he won their trust over it. And it doesn't really have to take much. If you don't want to buy somebody their whole breakfast, you could just buy somebody a coffee or give them a free consultation. And think of it in your personal life too, even if it's just a text message like, have a great day today. One of your friends you even talked to for a long time, send them a text message and just reach out to them and surprise them. And don't forget to comment below what worked for you, what other challenges worked for you. We really want to motivate each other, guys. Like, what can you do to motivate somebody else who's going to see this video? And let's just keep the ball rolling because that's what it's all about. We're just trying to motivate each other and keep each other all ready for the new year and to really make this year the year that you stop making excuses. This is the year that you take actions. If you haven't already, check out our other videos. We've been challenging you a couple times a week. Again, go at your own pace. Pick and choose the challenges that work for you. The whole point is we're trying to get you to make that first step, take that first step out of the comfort zone, and all it takes is one thing and the ball will just keep rolling down the hill. This is a great opportunity. You're in the right place, so keep following us and I'll see you in the next video.